Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you a best income plan of our India Yes Biz Marketing Private Limited, and this company is part of Apollo Group, which is highly well reputed firm. And today I am going to explain you all about the income plan, how we will earn from this platform, how we can earn 1000 to 4000 rupees on daily basis. So guys, be continue with me, and this is the platform where you can change your future. You can you can get the passive income once you give the 6 month 1 year to this business. You can get the passive income even if you are working or not. So yes, this is Yes Biz Marketing Private Limited, which only provides why it is India's best income plan. I will tell you why it is different from other networking companies. I will tell you. Okay, so let's start. This company has given the three types of income plan. First is matching income, second one is royalty income, and third one is generation income. Okay, so this matching income, from this matching income you will earn 1000 to 4000 rupees on daily basis. Okay, and weekly payouts is available with this matching income. Every Tuesday you will be paid without any delay till the noon. Okay, so how you will get your earning from matching income, what will be your work? So let's go to straightforward to that. So this matching income is your weekly payout every Tuesday, and now suppose you for doing the work with this company, you have to activate your ID here to start work with this company, to take your income lifetime from this company, and to build up your future with this company. Okay, so what you have to do is, first step is you have to activate your ID with this company, then you will be a part of this company. For that you have to purchase one time purchase product is here. From that your ID will be activated for lifetime. You need not to purchase every month here, you need not to sell anything here, you need not to do any promotion of product. It is not the product based plan. Okay, this is completely the recruitment work is here. From that you will be earn 1000 to 4000 rupees on daily basis. So for your ID activation, only one time purchase is here. So from the you have to complete 1000 PV here. Okay, so once your ID is activated from one time purchase, now you are the part of the company. You are eligible to take your income lifetime from this company. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to bring two business partner with you for taking the matching income. Here is a binary system, left and right. Okay, and you have to make your matching pairs. Okay, so a complete training will be provided to you, how you have to bring the person under your joinings, and for that you have to do is FB posting, and from all over India people will contact you, and on daily basis more than 10 people will contact you on by sitting at your home. You need not to search to people, you have to just posting your ad, people will contact you. Okay, so this is very simple work, because today especially in this time, COVID time, people are searching for work from home, and 70% population from India is searching for work from home. So you will get that stuff from there. Okay, so what you have to do is once you get the training, you have to bring the two joinings with you, A and B. So once they activated their ID from one time purchase, you will be get paid 1000 rupees because your one pair is completed. Okay, and similarly this A and B also came here for the earning, so they will also bring the two joinings under them. They will also take the proper training from here, and once they get the two joinings, your pair will be 2, because these A and B is under you, so these C and D, E and F will be also under you. Okay, so your pair will be 2 and you will be paid 2000 rupees. Similarly this C, D, E, F also came here for the earning. They will also bring two joinings. It's very simple, friends. Two joinings is not a big task. Okay, so either in your known or online you can bring your joining. So once they also bring the two joinings, in that case you will get the 4 pairs. Okay, see, you bring only A and B, even then your team is built up. Okay, so this is the power of this business. So this is the power of this business, how you will get your passive income even if you are working or not, once your team is built up. Okay, so once this 4 pair is completed, you will be paid 4,000 rupees. All right, and this is your matching income. So what will be happen? See, as soon as you will get 4,000 rupees, your daily income will be started 1,000 to 4,000 rupees, because you will do same recruitment work. Under 2 people will do the same work, and under these 4 people will do the same work, and under these 8 people will do the same work. All will do the recruitment work, and over you the team, upper team will also do the same work, because your upline will also give the joining under you on 1 lakh. Okay, you will also get the benefit from that. Okay, so all the people will do the same recruitment work. So daily 2 to 8 joinings comes, and your daily earnings start 1,000 to 4,000 rupees fixed. Okay, this is your matching income, which is your weekly payouts. And I'm taking your one example here. Suppose you are here and you bring these 2 person. Now your team is increasing exponentially here and here. So suppose 10,000 PV business happen here, and 6,000 PV business happen here. Now as this is the matching income, so the matching income will be 6,000 you will get in your bank account. Rest 4,000 will not go anywhere. It will be a carry forwarded. As soon as this team, any one of them will bring the joining, your this PV will be increased. They will match with this 4,000, and they will also come into your bank account. So this is the matching income, how we will be receiving. Okay, and what we receive in weekly income is there. Suppose 10,000 my weekly income is I got, then 5% TDS is cut down. That will be refund when you will file your tax. Okay, and 5% will you go to your wallet money. Now from that you will purchase free products every month. Okay, so you will get the free products everyone from this 5% wallet money, and from that you get the PV point, that is the purchase value point, and this PV point will generate your generation income, which is your third type of income. Okay, it means that you came here from one time purchase. After that, not a single money you have to spend here, friends. So this is highly recommended platform for earning a actual income in the networking industry. Okay, so it is different from other networking industry, because here is no monthly purchase system, here is no selling, here is no targets, here is no selling, here is no levels, here is no defaulter. Simple plan, only you have to bring 2 person. That's it. After that they will also bring 2 person, and you will also do the work consistently. Okay, now your second types of income is your royalty income. This is your fixed income, friends. This is your monthly fixed income. Once you achieve your royalty income, it will never stop. Okay, even if you are working or not, it will come every month. Even if you are stopped working, it will come after you to your nominee as well. Okay, how it will come? See, your ID should be from the diamond activation. Okay, that is 1,000 PV points you have to activate from your ID. So once 11 people joined with you from the diamond entry, that is 1,000 PV they have to complete. Okay, so you will be a royalty achiever. So this is the honor which is given by the company's turnover 3% monthly fixed company distribute equally to all royalty achievers. Okay, and minimum 1,000 rupees, maximum it can be any much. It depends on company's turnover totally. Okay, and it will it will be added as 11 people, then 22 people, then 32 people, then it is the added your royalty income. Okay, so this is your monthly income. Here you need not to work, it will your fixed income. Okay, and other is your generation income. Third income is your generation income. This is also your monthly fixed income. This is few calculative, so try to understand this income. So here company given 1 PV equal to 2.50 rupees, means one product value equal to 2.50 rupees. So you have to repurchase for getting your generation income. You have to repurchase 150 PV product value points. For that you need not to spend from your pocket. As I told you, what 5% go to your wallet, you will take your free products from that. 150 PV completed from that free product. Okay, so 150 PV is completed from that. So for example, I'm taking the one example. Suppose 1000 person in your team, they are completing their 150 PV from their free products, and that will be 1,50,000 PV, and it will be multiplied by directly 2.50 rupees, and it will be come to 3,75,000 rupees. So it will equally distributed, divided by 20 levels, that will be 18,750 rupees. It means that upon you, the 20 people will also get this income. So 18,750 rupees will be divided to you as well as your team over the 20 till the 20 people. Okay, so this is your generation income. Royalty and generation income is your long run benefit. Once you spend 3 to 4 months through this business, this is your side income. Here you need not to work here. This is your side income which will come automatically in your bank account. Where you have to focus is, that is your matching income. Your matching income, you have to focus. Within week of joining, you can get your earning by bringing the 2 business partner with you. And friends, this is your only 6 month you have to spend here. After that, you will be get your passive income. And believe me, within 3 months I crossed 1 lakh income from here. And now my team is 150 people, and even if I'm joining today, nor it doesn't matter, even then I will get my earning 1,000 to 4,000 rupees, because my team is bringing the joining. Okay, so once your team is built up, once your team is a high number of people, then your earning will be fixed 4,000 in your one ID. And you can also work on 3 IDs. You can earn 12,000 rupees daily from your one PAN card. You can apply 3 ID. You can work with 3 ID. From that, your daily capping is 4,000 rupees from one ID. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity for ladies, for student, for any person, any employment, anyone can do it. Qualification doesn't required here. Only you need to what you need to have is a Facebook account for getting the leads, and your WhatsApp, and your net, your internet system. Okay, you need these things only with you. By sitting at home, at your home, you are eligible to earn 4,000 rupees daily with your one single ID. So that's enough from my side. I hope you got understood whole complete income plan, and wish you all the best. Join with us, earn with us. Wish you all the best, everyone.